Next we are going to see list cloning. So list cloning is different from the top list aliasing. So cloning creates a new list with the same value under another name. That is, it is taking an exactly another copy of the given list. Whereas aliasing refers to them, both the names refer to a single list. Hence it is different from that of list cloning. For example, here a list fruits is created with the elements apple, mango, banana, and we are creating clone which is an exact copy of the fruits, and clone dot append, we are appending one more fruit at the last, that is jackfruit, and print fruits, we are printing the fruits. So here apple, mango, banana, only the contents will be printed in the fruits here. And next we are going to print fruits cloned. So we are going to print the list elements available in the list cloned. So now clone is getting appended with one more element, that is jackfruit. Now it is printed as apples, mango, banana, jackfruit. Next, list deletion. The elements of the list can be deleted, and the syntax for deletion of elements is del is the keyword followed by list name, index or slice. An example program is given here. For example, list 1, it has 9 elements, and first we are going to delete the first element of the list. Then we need to print list 1. So here you can see the output, list of 0 is 1, list of 1 is 2. So we are deleting list 0. So 1 will be deleted and remaining elements will be printed. Next, del list of -1. So -1 is the last element is being deleted. So next we are going to print the list. So after deleting the last element, it is printed 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, delete list from the elements 1 to 5. So that 2, 7, 8, the remaining elements will be printed. Next, list can be passed as a parameters to functions. So the arguments are always passed by reference only, passed by reference only. For example, here a stack program is given. For that stack, the list of elements is given as is pushed into the stack. For example, stack dot append of number, and we are incrementing the top pointer and return. And in the pop function, we are returning the stack topmost element of the stack, and next we are printing. So first initially we are initializing top equal to 0 and push the stack with the element 10 at the top position. So once 10 is pushed, initially 10 will be pushed. Next time also we are pushing the element 20th at the top position, and we are printing n stack, so that 10, 20 will be pushed. And pop, we are popping the topmost element. So initially 10 is available in the stack. On the top of 10, 20 is available. So 20 will be deleted. Afterwards, when we are printing n underscore stack, only 10 will be getting printed. Thank you.